Hello crafty people, I just want to do a quick tutorial or a little something with this We Are Memory Keepers mini evolution. Now this is a new one or a different one because the one I had showed y'all that I got when I hauled it was one that I already opened and used, and I gave it to my niece. I'm just letting her borrow just in case she might not like it. So I'm actually doing this video for her because she doesn't know how to use it, but she wants to do some kind of things. She was asking me about a Cricut, and so I told her, I said, well, you can use a little mini diamond cut machine until you can find you one. So I went to my niece's wedding, her sister, and I took the one I had opened, or the one I had before, and I took it to her, and I gave her a few vinyl pieces and stuff like that. And so I'm doing this for you, Krisha. So I'm going to show you a little something that I also want to try anyway, with using vinyl in a die cut machine instead of just strictly on my Cricut or the Scan and Cut. So I bought some dies the other day from Hobby Lobby. These are by Momenta and they were $12.99, and actually I could use a coupon, so it's like $7 something. So this will be my first time using these. And I always didn't want to get letter dies because I said, what's the point getting letter dies when I can make words and dies on my Cricut? But yeah, I just broke down and got these. I was wanting some, so I got a wish list on AliExpress, so I will be ordering some eventually if I can get this thing out of here. I'm having issues, y'all. Okay, up the packaging, didn't want to do that, but yeah. So these are the dies I'm going to be trying, and again, I got these at Hobby Lobby, and they used a coupon with them. So I'm gonna be, I think I'm gonna put my name on this tumbler here. Show you how I'm gonna see if it'll work. Well, it'll probably be a little bit more challenging doing it this way, cutting them out like this, rather than doing them on a Cricut or the other die cut machine. So I'm going to get all the letters for my name. H. Okay, so I'm going to cut this down, and this is just some scrap. Wait a minute, I got another small piece of scrap. This might work too. See if I can get all these in here. Yeah, they fit all on here. So I'm going to cut these out in scraps, and they ain't got to be in order because they're not going to cut it like you would on a die cut machine, of course. So yeah, that'll work. You know what? I'm gonna see if they're color and then his cut user strip. Yeah. I have a bad habit of keeping the tiniest of scraps, and I try to get to the point like, Trish, throw it away. Quit, hold on to it, throw it away. So I'm getting better about it. But when pieces are like too big when I can actually do something with, then I keep it. But I mean, I used to keep pieces smaller than this. So yeah. So let's do this. I'm going to put these on here, and see, these are the cut side down, flat side up on the vinyl. And, oh, see, this is what I'm not gonna like, because when I got my big kick, I have a metal magnetic plate that holds this in place. So, and I'm not using the right ones. Maybe it's this one? Nope. Let me get the instructions, y'all, because I'm gonna be messing up something. I gotta figure out if I got this path. And I didn't. Did I give her all the plates? I don't think Oh man. I'm gonna have to send her this plate. I didn't send her the gray plate, and that's the one she's gonna need. Sorry, Krisha. I'll get that to you in the mail soon. Yeah, die cut. Yep. They give her the right plate, and they give her all the plates. B plate. So this is the E plate, so it need to be on the B plate. B plate and the gray plate, or plate C. I'll get it right in a minute, guys. Give me a second. And I guess so which one will be cut into? I guess it's this one. So you're cutting this out. Man. I'm having issues, y'all. Sorry. Dropping dies, y'all. Dropping dies. I dropped my S. Oh, guys. Y'all hear somebody in the background? That's hubby. He's sitting out here with me. Sometimes he visit. Like I said, when he start taking my candy station, he got to go. Okay. All right. So here we go. Let's lock this in place, and it's going through. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. My H moved. I need to scoot that. Okay. Okay. All right. So we have those cut out. Now we've got to figure out how we're going to get these placed, because wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Well, they come right off. Okay, I guess we just stick them on. Because the backing comes off of it on them real easy. And this is vinyl that I got. This is Oracle 651. Now, guys, and Krisha, if you're watching this video, well, yeah, you're gonna be watching because you need to know how to use it. But anyway, if before you start buying vinyl to cut this stuff, I would suggest y'all go get you a $5 roll of duct tape brand contact paper, and use that first before you go messing up your good stuff, because you don't mess up your good stuff before you figure out what you're doing. And it works just as good, because like I've said before, I have made these or cut things out of vinyl or contact paper and used them as decals on my vehicle window, and they stay on there for years. Now, of course, guys, when y'all using smaller letters, this is going to be a lot harder to do. But these letters are not that small, so, and the back can come off these really good. And I keep dropping my dies. So, we gotta, no, this is laying a little too much. We need to straighten that straight up. So, and my T. And so, they, these letters are easy to peel off and stick on. And there you have it. And that was quite easy. I thought it was gonna be hard. But yeah. And again, this is Oracle 651, meaning it's kind of permanent. So I can put this in the washer, dishwasher rather, or wash it by hand, and it will not come off. And I'm gonna try something else. I know it probably won't stay. Wait, I gotta find my die, guys. Okay, I got it. Alright, so make sure that all my dies, put those back over there. And I wanna cut out something else real quick. Just to give it a little pizzazz. And I gave her some of this. I gave her some pieces of vinyl. I gave her, you know, scrap pieces of crap. What am I trying to say? Vinyl and a scrap piece of this. And I showed y'all in or did I? No, I don't think I showed y'all that video. Well, anyway, this is let me get the label and I'll show it to you. And I just want to add some on it. I want to add this and maybe a balloon. Here, let me get the label real quick. I mean the vinyl. Hold on, guys. Okay, got a big old roll of this. I got it from Walmart eons ago, and it is sparkly. If y'all can see that, sparkly. Yeah, and this is what it is. It is duct tape brand Deco Glimmer Laminate. I can't remember how much it was, but see that little duct tape brand. Okay, so that's what this is. This big old roll of stuff. And this is just a scrap piece. So, I'm going to cut this out. And then, it's contact paper. And I gave her these dies too. The dies that come with the other one. I gave her the dies. And I just want to cut these out and see. I don't think these stick very well, but I'm going to try them anyway. I mean, you can put them on stuff that's not going to be used like in that you're going to be submerging in water or anything like that. So it's good for that. So, but you know, I just want to try it. And surprisingly, these small pieces, at least the other ones did, the backing peels off rather easy. Well, oh yeah, there it goes. I see it, guys. I just don't have nails. And I also, this is some thin stuff. So when if y'all get in this, be careful because it's really really thin. And I just want to put something there. I probably should have put it behind it, but oh well. Isn't that pretty, sparkle? I'm gonna put some balloons on here. Let's try the balloons. And this is just for tutorial purposes, guys. You know, it most likely probably fall off because I don't think this is permanent, or it, you know, it won't stay on long if I try to stick it in the dishwasher or something. Y'all let's see the heavy. Look, you over there wide-eyed. Say hi. He said no. You know, he likes to be animated, but he's quiet, and I can't get this off of here. I can see it, and it's easy to come off. I just gotta get my nail in there. Seriously, guys, it's not that hard. I'm just having issues. I can't see. There you go. Okay. Now let's stick a balloon there. What you say? Huh? No. Alright. Okay, let's put the other balloon on that side. That's good. Alright, so in that cute and it's all sparkly. I don't know if y'all can see that. But it's all sparkly, shiny, pretty stuff. Alright, well that was a quick tutorial on how you can use dies with vinyl. You don't always have to use it in a die cut machine. And the only thing about it is that probably with smaller, more difficult pieces, it might be a little difficult getting those placed when you stick them on something. But surprisingly, it's 361 vinyl. The backing peeled off easy, and I was able to stick those on there with no issue, and got it on there pretty straight. So I just want to show you a quick project share tutorial, what you want to call it. Because I always want to try this anyway. So, thanks guys for watching. Y'all have a crafty day. Bye.